Good morning, everybody. It's about 7 a.m., middle of January. So we got some reports of eagles in the Columbia River Gorge. They've landed for the winter. So we're going to head out and see if we can find them. Let's go. Here we go. We're shooting at 1/10 of a second, f11, ISO 72. We're focusing in on the foreground, tree line, and then the mountains. Let's go ahead and get our shots in. And this will be the first shot of the day. We've already seen an eagle. Hopefully there'll be a lot more where we are. So we've arrived in the Dalles, Oregon at the Dalles Dam, and there are lots of eagles. So we're gonna head in, get set up, and hopefully we can get a couple good shots. We got one down on the bank right now. There's a tree I'll show you in a little bit that has probably a dozen or so on them. So let's go. So I've set up the camera here on the Columbia River. I'm running a 2 to 500 millimeter f5.6 with a 1.4 teleconverter on a D850. I am at 1/2000th a second on the shutter speed. f8 because the teleconverter actually ups it to f8. And then I'm also running auto ISO. So we're gonna hang out here for quite a while, see what we get, and hopefully we'll have something good to share for you. But the beautiful Columbia River. We're in the Dalles, Oregon. So that's about it from the Dalles today. We did get a couple images, I think. And the best part is we got to sit out in nature. We got to see these beautiful birds that really are magical. So, thank you for joining us. We have myself, Andrew, who's already hiked back to the truck. See you next time. Take care.